Hey everyone, hold on, let me stop this little walking desk I have going. Let's see. I guess I didn't start my thingy, but that's okay. Okay, so right now I'm looking at Audusd. As you guys know, we started this trade last week. We did close out in profit. It was a great trade. This is actually the 30-minute time frame, so let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry. Okay, so as you guys can see, which again, I marked this up a while ago. Nothing's perfect. I did it on MT4, but we kind of did exactly what we thought it was going to do, which was pull back. And now we have that engulfing kind of breakout candle, if you will. So let me, oopsie, turn this down a little bit. So now that we have this breakout, we can kind of expect it to test about 50% of this, engulfing candle. I mean, it may or may not come back down. We'll see. But what we're looking for on this pair is a completion of several different patterns. There's a bigger time frame harmonic. Of course, we have the head and shoulders on the 4 hour, which now we're kind of seeing if it's going to play out. But we also have an Elliott wave. So we need to complete this fifth wave one way or another, which means in order for it to do so, we need it to break this high or it won't have completed. So that breakout candle, kind of everything lining up. I'll go to the smaller time frame real fast. Oopsie, bear with me. So I'm going to go down to the 30-minute. The 4 hour obviously has triple arrows, but the 30-minute also has triple arrows, for example, which you guys know I don't even really analyze like that because I just find like it's too much for me. But wait for this to catch up real quick. There we go. That's the minute 30 Audusd. We have fresh triple arrows. We had our 8 and 18 crossover. We broke the 50. But most importantly, we have that impulse move. That impulse move that officially made a higher high. Okay, so we're looking for it to maybe retest before it skyrockets off. Granted, this isn't a fast mover. So granted, I know that there's some news and some other factors, but this isn't a super aggressive pair. So this is one that you can hold really safely to kind of get to the place we're looking to get. So this is, again, another chart layup. It is Audusd. So to see where we're looking to take this, we have a minimum of give or take 100-ish pips, okay? Is what we're looking to get. If it only comes to where I draw this line at to test this blue line, we're still, plus side of 50 pips. So let's take a look. That's about 75. And all we really need out of this is 55. But either way, I mean, that's what we're going for. If we end up holding it and it continues to give us upward momentum, we can definitely do that. And there should be a lot of good momentum to do that. But this isn't this isn't a fast mover. This isn't an aggressive pair. Not a lot of risk in this pair at all. We do now officially kind of getting that crossover on our TK crossover for those of you who use that. This is the 1 hour chart. We broke above the 50, kind of retesting now. And this is not the best time of day, but it's a good time of day in terms of we don't have a lot of noise. We don't have a lot of drama or nonsense. And even if this pair does pull back, it's not going to pull back hundreds of pips like EN or a GBP pair. So again, this is Audusd. Odd is stronger than the US dollar, and that's really all we desperately need. So if you guys can tell, if you're not familiar with the Elliott wave theory, it's 5 waves. We just need one more push up. So that's what we're looking at. Triple arrows obviously came back, retested the 50, made a higher high. Perfect pullback that did not make a new low. Okay, so now we're just waiting for this breakout move. Very easy to trade pair, very safe pair, not a lot of noise, not a lot of nonsense, and that is what I'm seeing. I want to play it very safe this week because of everything going on with Brexit, everything going on with, I know Trump just had a press release, trade wars, but most importantly, GBP and JPY made, huge strides of a move in the last 5 or 6 trading days. So end of last week, early this week. So now we need to let the market kind of cool off before we try to give them all of our money and then just guess which way the market's going. We really want to be confident because any one of those huge events can literally pop these charts any one direction. They say that the Brexit deal will pop the charts, 500 to 1,000 pips. We don't know that yet, but we don't want to be on the wrong side of that by any means. And obviously we have some quarterly info coming out this week for most countries. So again, we don't want to be on the wrong side of any of that. I find this to be a pretty safe trade. long-term trade, long-term potential, very easy 50 pips. It won't be a fast 50 pips. It'll just be an easy, stress-free 50 pips. So for those of you who can manage to hold it or protect your profit and get back in, you could potentially close out 2 or 3 lines worth of your trading compound sheet just by using this one pair. And same kind of story. If it breaks a lower low, you'd want to get out, which again doesn't make for a very big stop loss. But be mindful on large on brokers that have large leverage, because their spreads widen quite a lot. They widen a whole bunch. So don't have your stop loss so close if you're using them. Some people are not. Don't have it so close that if the spread gaps open, it's just going to knock you out on that alone. So 50 pip, for a potential 100 pip reward, not super bad, but totally up to you how you want to structure that. But this is my trade analysis. I hope that helps, and I hope that you guys can see what I'm seeing. So anyways, happy Wednesday, and I will talk to you guys soon. Hey, Brent, have any, what is that, Chick-fil-A today? I love how you're always so participating. That makes me happy. Anyways, guys, happy Wednesday, and I know that this video should work. No more YouTube drama, hopefully. I think I've understood all the rules now, and I hope you guys have a fantastic, happy day.